everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken and rice. So this is a really easy, really cheap chicken and rice recipe. It's all in one pot. It takes less than about 20 minutes and it's super delicious, so your family is going to love it. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to start off with is cooking our onion, garlic and chicken thighs. So in my pan I've got a tablespoon of oil, then I'm going to add some onion. I've got chicken thighs. What I want to do now is get my thighs nice and browned, and I want to get my onion nice and translucent. Okay, now I'm going to add my finely minced garlic, or finely chopped garlic in this case. And I'm going to give it a quick mince. So my chicken's nice and brown, my onion is translucent, I've just added my garlic. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our rice. So I have 1.5 cups of rice, so here I have 1 cup and half a cup of rice. And I just want to mix it in and get it coated in a nice coating of oil and fat from the chicken. And allow it to just for a few seconds before I add the liquid. Just give it a little bit of time to hang out in the pan and absorb some of that delicious fat. I'm then going to add my chicken stock. Now I'm using 3 teaspoons of Vegeta, which is quite a lot, but Matt likes this nice and salty. If you don't want it that salty, add less. You can always add more salt at the end if you need to, if you find that it's not salty enough for you. But I'm going to add my 3 teaspoons up front. And then I'm going to add my liquid. So here I have 1.5 cups of tomato sauce. If you want to know why mine is very grainy, it's because it's still partially frozen, because I tend to freeze this if I've opened a jar and I haven't used all of it, just to reduce wastage. But it'll melt in the pan when it's in here. And then the last thing is 1.5 cups of just plain water. And you'll notice that because it was frozen, it's just now, because I've added the water and it's in a hot pan, it'll now just completely defrost, so there's not an issue with that at all. Ooh. The last thing that I want to do is get this up to the boil, and once I've done that, I am going to put this on low heat and I'm going to cook it for 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes it should be completely done. Alright, so we're at the boil. Now all I'm going to do is turn my heat onto low, put a lid on, where are you, and start my timer. It has been 20 minutes and I am ready to serve. The rice is nice and cooked, the chicken is nice and cooked, so now the only thing that we have to do is serve this up. You can serve it with some steamed vegetables or just the way it is right now. Thank you so much for watching. This is absolutely delicious. I hope you make it, I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you next time on another episode of Do It Frugal. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing. If you like this video, please click on the big thumbs up down below this video to give it a like, and I will see you next time. Bye!